Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Gumtree how to sell things. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So selling on Gumtree is simple. What you need to do is head over and open up your Gumtree app and then be sure to be logged into your account. Now once you're logged into your account, on the bottom you'll be seeing a sale option. Simply tap on that, and now on tapping you'll be sent to the sales section. Now what you need to do is here select a category. Let me just type in car. Once you have selected your category, now add your location, and once you have added your location, add a title and detailed description, include brand, condition and size, etc. Set a price, choose fixed or negotiable, upload high quality photo, clear will let images sell faster, enter your location and contact details, and then click post ad to publish it. Then next is to manage your listing and then arrange payment and collection. Then once that's done, mark your item as sold or remove the ad. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.